Good news, really good news now, people. I have to say, I've been waiting for this news for a while now. I watch it. I watch every day. Me get up, I watch it. Every day me get up. I look out for this news, people. So we will be discussing Kaheim Dixon this morning, and we are actually on a good path. But before we go any further, I want to say I apologize for the audio. I do not have my mic, so it might sound a little bit hollow. But you don't know anything already, people. The show must go on. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again. Brilliant intro. Love the intro there. Shav SP Professional, courtesy of SP Professional. Make sure to check out his page on IG. SP Professional. Video graphics, editing, top down feet, you know. So, but let's get straight to the meat of the matter, people. Me now wait on this article for a good while now. So Charlton Athletic hopes to resolve issue with winger in pursuit this week. So apparently, according to Richard Crawley, who first broke the news on Kaheim Dixon going to Charlton Athletic, the Charlton Athletic board looks to complete the Kaheim Dixon transfer this week. Well, at the final week, well, not the final week, but we're going to the final week of the transfer window, so you know the thing already. Anyways, let's see what the article has to say. Charlton Athletic are hoping to get the deal for Kaheim Dixon sorted this week amid a work permit delay. According to Richard Crawley, Charlton Athletic are still on the lookout for some more fresh additions as we enter the latter stages of the summer transfer window. It's been a fruitful window for the Addicts, with manager Nathan Jones rebuilding the ranks. He's been able to add a whole host of new faces as they value to shape a squad for his liking. The hard work isn't done yet, with more deals eyed. One player looked to be on the chart and on the way to Charlton Athletic was the Jamaica prospect Kaheim Dixon, but has gone a little quiet on the front. Yeah, so because it goes so quiet for so long, probably about 3 weeks, and now people start fret, like myself. We start fret because we say, boy, this song look good, we don't like how it look. And we know how difficult it is to acquire work permit, but most definitely, I'm happy that they actually enter the final stages of this issue. Now, local reporter Richard Crawley, my apologies, has offered an update on the matter. Writing on X, the South London Press reporter revealed that the delay in the Addicts deal for Dixon has been due to a work permit application. However, the hope is that the move to bring the 19-year-old winger over to South London can be wrapped up this week. And he quoted, CAFC hoping to have Kaheim Dixon deal officially completed this week. Delay has been due to work permit application, quote, put that all in quote. That's straight from Richard Crawley. Dixon already made his Jamaican debut after a breakthrough campaign in his native with Garnet Garden. Overall, he has played 6 times for the Reggae Boyz, scoring his first goal on his first start in a win over Dominica. One for the future, they say. Charlton Athletic are always on the lookout for new young stars to bring through their esteemed youth ranks. Countless top youngsters have made names for themselves at the Valley. Should his move go through as hoped, Dixon will be hoping to follow on the footsteps of Joe Gomez, Adamaloa Lookman, and more in becoming an established player at the top of the game after making a breakthrough in South London. Dixon certainly looks to be a bright prospect too, as a Jamaican international already after just 13 games for Jamaican top flight side Garden. He's an exciting youngster, very much on the come up. Playing on either left or right wing, Dixon has 6 goals and an assist to his name for his club. His international experience and early success could have lined him up for a first team role arrival. Now, this is important, people. But Charlton Athletic may take a patient approach and give him chances in the academy, supplemented by senior training and some brief outings with the senior team. Now, this is actually an important aspect of it. So I know a lot of persons want to see him step into first team right away, but this is kind of standard, I think. And just maybe, what if he's training with the first team like right now? If he's training with the first team like right now, no, that certainly could be an aspect where they must say, they look upon him and say, no, say he's good enough. But if he's training the first team right now, they say, no, say we need to bed him in a little bit. For me personally, whichever route the club take for him to make that progression, I'm okay with it. I'm okay. I just want to see him taking those baby steps. Crawl, creep, then walk, then he can run in full flight. I'm a strong believer in that, because at the end of the day, everything in life is a steady progress. Steady progress. I know most persons want that big jump and immediate success, but I believe that for the best of anyone, especially young talents, steady progress is very, very important, because that's the only way you can really garner the experience, the knowledge, football, like all these things, to become a better footballer. I don't think anybody just jump from start and just jump straight to the finish line. There must be something along the route. And I think ideally this is a good build up process for him. But this is good news. This is really good news in my view, and I think that we're gonna get something from it. Personally, I do believe that it's gonna go through. I don't think the club are gonna go so hard I don't know go through. But I don't know anything already. I know a lot of persons say, boy, they wish they had taken another route because things would have started out already. There would be no need for work permit. But there must be something there that Charlton Athletic said, you know what, we want him. Over all of the other clubs that were interested, they probably said, no, we want him. And this is the reason I want him. And we're going to work on that. And if Charlton knows that they couldn't get it, I don't think that they would really take the risk to take the player and know that they couldn't get it. So there's positivity, there's a lot of positivity here, and it is most certainly a good look. So let's see how this one materializes, people. I feel good, I feel confident about it, I feel positive about it as well, and we'll see how it goes. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again until next time. MG Sports TV. God bless. Like, share, and subscribe. We're out, people. Boom. You know what I mean? Plaka. Good news is every time, all the time.